Are you looking for unique handmade wooden crafts as gifts for loved ones or as products for high profit? In that case, you have come to the right place as we have gathered you more than 80 different wooden items you could consider using. Hello there! Welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a unique handmade wooden crafts as gifts for loved ones or as products for high profit. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Creating unique handmade wooden crafts as gifts for loved ones or as products for high profit offers a wonderful opportunity to blend creativity with practicality. The allure of wooden crafts lies not only in their aesthetic appeal but also in the personal touch they carry, making them thoughtful gifts that resonate on an emotional level. When considering handmade wooden craft ideas, one can explore a variety of projects that cater to different tastes, preferences, and occasions, ensuring that each piece tells a story and serves a purpose. The process of crafting these items can be deeply rewarding, allowing artisans to connect with their materials while producing beautiful, functional pieces that can enrich the lives of those who receive them. One compelling idea for a handmade wooden craft is personalized wooden photo frames. These frames can be crafted from reclaimed wood or new timber, with intricate designs or simple, rustic finishes that highlight the natural beauty of the wood grain. By customizing these frames with names, dates, or meaningful quotes, they transform into cherished keepsakes that hold precious memories. Such gifts are ideal for occasions like weddings, anniversaries, or family gatherings, where capturing moments is essential. The act of gifting a personalized photo frame not only provides a beautiful way to display images, but also conveys the thought and effort that went into creating a unique piece, making the recipient feel valued and special. Another unique idea is to create wooden cutting boards, which are not only practical kitchen tools but also serve as decorative pieces when not in use. Crafting a cutting board from high-quality hardwood can result in a stunning centerpiece for any kitchen. By incorporating elements such as engraved designs, custom shapes, or even a combination of different wood species, artisans can create a product that stands out. Cutting boards make excellent gifts for culinary enthusiasts, newlyweds, or anyone who enjoys hosting gatherings. They can be further enhanced by pairing them with handmade wooden utensils or gourmet food items, creating a thoughtful gift set that showcases both artistry and functionality. For those looking to tap into the growing trend of home decor, handmade wooden wall art presents an exciting avenue. This can include anything from intricate wooden sculptures to simple geometric designs, each piece reflecting the maker's personal style. By experimenting with various techniques, such as woodbending, painting, or layering different types of wood, artisans can create visually striking pieces that capture attention. Wall art can be tailored to fit specific themes or color schemes, making them versatile gifts for friends or family members who are redecorating their homes. Additionally, these pieces can be marketed as unique decor items, appealing to customers looking for one-of-a-kind additions to their spaces. Dear viewers, are you enjoying our today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. A captivating project that combines creativity and utility is the creation of wooden jewelry boxes. These boxes can be designed to suit various tastes, from ornate, vintage-inspired styles to sleek, modern aesthetics. By incorporating compartments for rings, bracelets, and necklaces, they become practical storage solutions while also serving as beautiful decor. Personalizing these boxes with engravings or custom designs adds a sentimental touch, making them perfect gifts for special occasions like birthdays, graduations, or holidays. When marketed effectively, wooden jewelry boxes can also attract buyers looking for unique gifts, as they offer both beauty and functionality. For those with a penchant for crafting furniture, small wooden items such as stools, side tables, or plant stands can be excellent choices. These pieces not only serve practical purposes but can also be designed with artistic flair, drawing attention to the craftsmanship involved. Offering customizable options, such as size, finish, and design, can enhance their appeal, allowing customers to select pieces that fit their specific needs and tastes. The potential for high profit in this category lies in the ability to create bespoke items that stand out in a market filled with mass-produced alternatives. The quality and uniqueness of handmade furniture can justify a higher price point, especially when marketed as artisanal craftsmanship. Wooden toys are another fantastic avenue for unique handmade crafts that can serve as thoughtful gifts for children or as profitable products. Crafting toys from safe, non-toxic materials ensures they are suitable for young audiences, while also appealing to parents seeking eco-friendly alternatives to plastic toys. Innovative designs, such as stacking blocks, puzzles, or educational games, can engage children's imaginations and provide hours of entertainment. By focusing on the quality of craftsmanship and the durability of materials, artisans can create toys that are not only enjoyable but also long-lasting, making them excellent gifts for baby showers or birthdays. The market for wooden toys continues to grow, driven by a demand for safe, sustainable products, offering artisans a chance to tap into this lucrative niche. Creating wooden garden planters or birdhouses can also be a rewarding project that combines craftsmanship with nature. These items not only enhance outdoor spaces, but also provide functional benefits, such as promoting gardening or attracting wildlife. Designing planters with unique shapes or incorporating personalized touches, like custom engravings or paint finishes, can make them appealing gifts for gardening enthusiasts or nature lovers. Similarly, decorative birdhouses can serve as charming additions to gardens, creating a sense of whimsy while providing shelter for local birds. These projects can be marketed not only as gifts but also as products for outdoor living enthusiasts, tapping into a market that values both aesthetics and functionality. In the realm of practical gifts, handcrafted wooden coasters and serving trays offer a versatile option that caters to various occasions. Coasters can be designed with unique patterns, quotes, or personalized engravings to suit different tastes, making them perfect for housewarming gifts or as additions to home decor. Serving trays can be crafted in various sizes and styles, providing functional pieces that can enhance any gathering. By focusing on quality materials and craftsmanship, artisans can create items that are both beautiful and durable, appealing to consumers seeking unique home essentials. For those with a flair for design, crafting wooden furniture pieces, such as benches or chairs, can be a worthwhile endeavor. These larger projects allow artisans to showcase their skills while creating functional items that can enhance any space. By incorporating unique design elements, such as unconventional shapes or mixed materials, these pieces can stand out in the market. Offering customization options, such as finish or size, can also attract customers looking for bespoke furniture solutions. The potential for high profits in furniture crafting lies in the ability to create lasting, quality pieces that resonate with consumers seeking unique home furnishings. The significance of unique handmade wooden crafts extends beyond mere aesthetics. They embody a connection to craftsmanship, sustainability, and personal stories. Each project presents an opportunity to create meaningful gifts that celebrate relationships and cherished moments. Whether through personalized photo frames, functional cutting boards, or whimsical toys, the act of crafting becomes a way to express love and appreciation for loved ones. Additionally, the potential for profit in the handmade wooden craft market is substantial, particularly as consumers increasingly seek out unique, artisanal products that stand apart from mass-produced alternatives. By embracing creativity and innovation, artisans can carve out a niche that allows them to share their passion while also generating income. Ultimately, the journey of crafting unique handmade wooden projects for gifts or profit is a fulfilling endeavor that celebrates the beauty of artistry and the connections we share with others. Each piece crafted not only serves a purpose but also tells a story, enriching the lives of both the maker and the recipient. As the world continues to appreciate the value of handcrafted items, the significance of unique wooden crafts will only grow, offering endless possibilities for creative expression and meaningful connections. In this way, the act of creating becomes a powerful vehicle for love, sustainability, and individuality, making each handcrafted item a cherished treasure. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Are handpicked for unique handmade wooden crafts as gifts for loved ones or as products for high profit. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.